Looking for a splash of excitement? Dive into kayaking on the Guadalupe River. Picture this, serene waters and scenic beauty all around. Paddle through the winding paths of the Guadalupe River. It's like a nature lover's dream come true. Watch the sunlight dance on the water, hear the soft rustle of leaves, and maybe spot a few friendly turtles basking on the banks. Every twist and turn offers a new surprise. It's just you, your kayak, and the soothing flow of the river. Perfect for adventure seekers and anyone needing a break from the hustle and bustle. Whether you're a pro or a first-timer, Kerrville's calm waters are welcoming to all. So grab your paddle and let's make some waves. Kayak the Guadalupe River today and discover why Kerrville is the hidden gem of Texas.